I'm pre-cooking meat for the next couple days, so that way it'd be easy for me to make meals. As soon as we get this done, then we'll go out and I'll get that mulch and do that mulch to fill up my flower bed, my new garden bed. That's a Chevy, get it going. Okay.
There's a few things that I need to do before we get started on the raised bed, so I'm going to water my corn. Before I do anything, I'm going to take last year's potting soil and dump it in the bed that were in the pots. I'm going to go through here and break up all the soil and spread it out even. Now I'm going to start layering different materials to make some good potting soil. Now I'm going to put the 6 buckets of the sweet pea compost on top of it, the soil. Now take the rake and mix the soil and the sweet pea together, and then smooth it out with your rake.
Now that I got it halfway filled with the garden soil that I bought and the sweet pea and all the potting soil I had in my containers, so this is halfway filled, I'm going to water it down until it soaks all the way down through, because it takes a long time if it's full and then you water it. It just takes a long time for the bottom. So this way this gets good and soaked and ready to plant. Okay, I'm gonna give it about 15 minutes to soak all the way through. And then I will come back out and water it down, and if the water runs down through the bottom, then I'm ready for the second half of the soil. Here are my helpers. They're a big help for me, keeping the shade comfortable.
Now we're going to mix the perlite, the vermiculite, and the peat moss all together.
All right, there's my buddy, huh? Oh, oh! Your dog's down there. Here, try switching the other side of the truck so you don't have to throw it so far out. There you go. All right, now try it. Just take it over and dump it. There you go. Up a little farther, but I'll rake it up that way. Okay. That is salt. Okay. And up the other one where your feet are at. One more. Woo!
Me and Toby took a break and went and watched Greg finish up weed whacking. We only weed whack on one side of the pond that's facing the house, so the back side we leave it grow so it keeps a natural habitat.
Okay. This is ready to plant carrots.
Greg and Toby will clean out the truck and then we'll cover it up with the tarp. Okay, it's starting to get late and I'm going to have to get supper, so I need to water the corn one more time, and this is water that we pump from the pond. One more thing to water, and that's my salad garden that's in my pool. So check out my video on my salad garden on how we built the table and put holes in the pool to make a garden. I'm going to get this weed whacked and set up so I can plant my cucumbers. This is how my chickens all eat. So I will leave in the description below about my videos on putting down wood chips and also how to build a natural habitat for feeding for your chickens. I grilled steak from our cow that we had processed. Here I have potatoes that I canned that I fried up, and actually I was too lazy to get another skillet out, so I just threw the corn in that came from our garden too. So I mixed the two together. Here is leftover rice from the Chinese restaurant. I like their fried rice. Here you see the canned peaches, and I make my sweet tea with mint that I get from the garden. My mother had passed away, and she loved the garden, and she also loved lilacs, so I planted these in front of my greenhouse. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this day up. I'm tired, so I'm going to finish watering the plants and everything, and then we're going to call it a night. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up, and I'm going to call it a night. And so I want to say thank you for watching, and please, if you like the video, or if you have any suggestions of any videos that you'd like for me to make, leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best. So, alright guys, take care.